Hello, Luc Bouchard here. This is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reduction reading. Number 72. I forgive myself for believing that I can't change my mind. All right, the reduction on this is, in addition to the ego's need to be right, not admitting that we're wrong is about believing that we will be punished and have to pay a price for our mistakes. So we steel ourselves from attack because we don't want to be on rocky ground. And although we may be fearful of adverse outcomes that may arise from changing our mind, they are just justifications for keeping ourselves separated from our ties to God. And the quote I took from ACIM is, "Open your minds to change. There will be no ancient penalty exacted from your brother or yourself." Okay, so this question we have to ask ourselves: do we want to be right or do we want to be happy? Because when we have to be right, then we're entrenched, we're dug in, we're like, this is the way it is, it cannot be any other way. And that just is separation. That is not having the ability to go, maybe there's a different way of looking at it. And when we lock ourselves into that position, then we feel that we're going to lose face if we change our minds and people are going to judge us. Well, it doesn't matter if people judge us because we're judging ourselves. Generally, is my experience, is that's probably worse. And what people are thinking about us, if they're even thinking of us, which they're probably not, because everyone's so absorbed with their own world, that it's not going to be that outcome. And there's not going to be something negative that's going to happen if you change your mind. What probably would happen, the outcome, if there's going to be one, is probably more peace of mind, because you're at ease and you're not fighting and you're not demanding that you have to be right. This image, well, it was taken next to some railroad tracks. That's why I was making the referral to ties with God and on rocky ground. And what I like about it is the dead weed that's coming out of the metal, and how it's not flourishing or not thriving and whatnot, because it has to be right, and it's fixed in its position. It's dead right, but it's still fixed. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Luc Bouchard, and you can change your mind. You can decide to be right and instead of happy, or you can decide to be happy instead of right. And when you just need to be right, there goes your peace of mind. So you might want to decide what it's worth to you.